How to disable calls on Viber. Hello everyone, and today I will tell you how to turn off calls in the app Viber. Watch the video to the end and repeat step by step to avoid mistakes. First, go to the Viber app. Next, if you want to disable calls from one particular person, you can find it through your contacts, and then just click change in the right upper corner. And as you can see, we can block this contact. If you block this user, it will not be able to call you, but also send messages. The second way is suitable for limiting calls from everyone in the Viber app. We need to click on the More option in the bottom right, then click on the Settings option, then select Calls and Messages. From many options, and in the first line we see the Viber in Calls option. Disable this option by pressing. That's it. Now you know how to turn off calls in the Viber app. Thanks you for watching. I hope that was helpful.